Hello, my crafty friends. This is Mary, and I am so happy to be back with you. I didn't think I was ever going to get to do another video. Yes, I've been very, very sick for a long time, but I think I've turned the corner, and I'm feeling much better. And I want to thank you all so very much for all your comments, your concern, your prayers. Y'all are just wonderful. And I appreciate you so much. And I could feel your prayers. And I just want to thank you again for that. Thank you for your emails and your messages. Y'all are just the best. You're just the best. And I've missed you so very much. But I'm so glad to be back. And today I want to show you one of the wonderful Close to My Heart kits that my sweet friend Linda sent me. Oh my goodness. This one is just precious, y'all. Now, you can use it for Valentine's Day because we've got Happy Valentine's Day up here. It's got this really cute sheet of stickers. But like this one right here, I could see this on a little summer card or a scrapbook page. This kit right here is called, let me make sure I tell you right. This is Heart Happy Workshop Kit. You can use this for scrapbooking because they give you 4 sheets of white cardstock so you can do 2 double-sided layouts, but they also include 10 cards and 10 envelopes. So you've got enough in here to do the scrapbook layouts as well as 10 cards. It also comes with this absolutely gorgeous red shimmer trim. Look at that, guys. It's got a backing on it that you pull off so it's adhesive. And you can just stick that right down. You don't have to worry about glue dots or anything like that. This is red shimmer trim. You get these beautiful silver glitter dots, and I have to tell you guys, I love Close to My Heart glitter gems. They're so pretty, and the color just goes all the way through them. They're not opaque at all. They're all silver. You get 2 sheets of those, and if you're going to use this for doing some scrapbooking, you'll also get a set of mats to go behind your photographs in lots of different sizes. And let's take another look at this cute little set. We've got groupings of hearts and arrows, flowers, little heart-shaped suckers, lips. Love is sweet. Here's some more flowers. I love these little sunglasses. Then this cute little ribbon. Gal Pals Forever. There's a little banner. And then this one, all the heart eyes. Be Mine, another sweet little flower and an arrow, and you plus me equals a heart on a little pink circle. So that's really cute. And then this you could certainly use for some journaling. Let's take a look at this cardstock. Oh, this is pretty. We've got a blue, a pale pink, and a deep pink. And then, as I said, you also get 4 sheets of white that you can use for the scrapbooking pages. And look at these. Now you get 2 each of these. And this paper set is called Heart Happy. Look at this. You can cut these out to put on scrapbook layouts or cards. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness, I love these. But see, like with these flowers, this does not have to be just for Valentine's Day. You can use this for any kind of a layout or card. And then the back side has, of course, that Close to My Heart border that you get on all their paper that you can trim off and use. And then this has words. Let's see if I can read it. I can't read it. But it's cute. It's kind of an ombre. We've got the darker pink down here, and it goes up to the lighter pink. I simply adore you. Love is patient. Love is kind. Oh, I love that. It's so cute. You're going to get 2 of those. Let's see if I can make room for all this. There's so much in this kit. This one is really cute with all these little hearts in pink and red. Flip it over. We've got that red and white border. And then this is two-tone pink polka dot. Get 2 of these. There's a lot you can do with this. Here's a darker pink geometric print. Oh, I love this. Blue and white. It looks like pillow ticking. Cute. With the red and white gingham border. So you'll get 2 of those. Then here we have pink with what looks like little white flowers. And then this is, oh, this would be good for a scrapbook page because it's already got the little borders up here. And this is like a graph paper. And then we've got the light and dark blue border polka dot. So 2 of these. This is a light and dark red diagonal stripe. See, you could use something like this even for Christmas. Doesn't have to just be for Valentine's. This is cute. This light and dark blue polka dot with the different colors in the diagonal stripe border. And we've got one more. This is Hugs and Kisses. See, we got the XOXOXO, and I love this color. It's beautiful blue. And the back side, you've got different strips of the different colors of cardstock, and the little border that's got white with all the different color hearts. This is a really cute kit, guys. And I'm going to come back tomorrow, and we're going to make some cards with this kit. But I wanted to go ahead and show it to you today. And if you're interested in this kit, and like I said, you don't have to think about it just for Valentine's Day, because you can do lots of different scrapbook pages with it, lots of different cards, and with the flowers and like the sunglasses and things. This can be used for lots of different occasions, even birthdays. And you can make your cards as well as your scrapbook pages. I love this trim. But if you want to get this, guys, you need to go and see my friend Linda. And I'll leave a link below this video on my blog as well as here on YouTube. And you can go and check this out and pick this kit up. It's really, really cute, and I know you'll enjoy it. And this, I don't know if this one is in this catalog or not, but this is the new catalog that runs through April of this year. And if you don't have one, I know Linda can get you one of these too. There are some awesome things in here, guys. And I've got a lot of these that Linda has sent me, and I'll be showing them to you. They are super cute. So thanks again, guys, for being such wonderful friends. I appreciate y'all so very much. And I will see you back here in a day or two, and we're going to make some cards with this kit. So I'll see you again soon. Bye now.